It's so boring today.
Yeah. Do you hear something?
Yeah. Take off my shoe.
Wonder what that is. Let me go check it out.
Okay.
Make sure your gun's loaded.
It is.
Oh no! Did I see?
Come on, shoot, shoot! Quickly before he gets away!
Let's go! Attack!
I'm out! I'm out! Come in! Retreat! Now we'll shoot until he comes in again.
We'll see here. I'm ready! I think we're getting the camera. Oh, thanks. I'm tired. Come out, wherever you are. Zachary, you go get him. Let's see.
I'm gonna waste my bullets on.
He's coming! He's coming! It's a burglar! Ow! Ow! Ow!
What do you want?
Oh, run away!
Just get him! Get him all fox! I don't have any! I'm out! Retreat! We're using Adventure Force ones, but anyway, this is not sponsored by Adventure Force. We're just using these because we've never used this in a YouTube video. And again,
They've actually never
We're not
used this, and they've never used this toucan hoodie in a video too. Actually,
anyway, this is not, and again, this is not sponsored by Adventure Force.
this is
So,
a pretty thick jacket.
Let's just go. Come on. Let's go.
I probably don't need this toque, but whoever you are, here. So I shot it as much times as I could. It's not there.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna bring you with us, okay?
So,
Dang it.
Oh, you got me. Oh, I'm done for. Oh.
that's to make sure you are.
Oh.
That burglar is done for. Let's see how he likes this.
Oh.
He's done for.
No more.
Thanks for watching our YouTube video. This is how we protect ourselves against burglars.